Hi, I'm Rich Heffron. This is this week's Delaware State Chamber of Commerce Legislative Minute. Don't really mean to beat a dead horse, but last week there was an article in the News Journal about the report done by the Roundtable and also about some of the challenges that the next governor will face. In that, we were quoted, I specifically was quoted. I just want to make one thing clear. When I talk about the coastal zone and change the coastal zone, I'm only talking about industrial areas. We're not talking about the whole coastal zone. I think it's important that we look at these industrial areas, areas that have been abandoned, areas that have environmental damage that needs to be cleaned up, and how do we attract businesses to them. 45 years since the coastal zone was passed, industries change, environmental cleanup has changed, it's improved. Also, we're in a position right now in Delaware where we're looking to create jobs. And as we discussed in the last, let's say, minute, what's going on in the area in Pennsylvania, right across the line, can attract jobs to Delaware. So we need to look seriously at this. Also, the fact is, as far as the report that the Roundtable did, that we were partnered with, we're facing serious budget problems. I know that the legislature knows that, the General Assembly. I know the governor knows that. Some proposals will be coming up in the next few months on how we're going to get through this. We just want to make it very clear. I know there are going to be some revenue possibilities. We talked a little bit about how we're going to get through these difficult times as far as the state budget. I know for a fact there'll be some potential revenue increases in fees that will be discussed, and we understand that, but we got to look at the other side of the ledger. Where are we spending money? How can we do it more efficiently? There are things that obviously by that report that Delaware is spending more money than other states. There may be valid reasons for that. Then again, we need to look to cut. We need to balance the way we get through this. And we're going to make that very clear as a business community. We're willing to do our share, but we also understand that there's the other side of the ledger, and we need to be careful because any report that you read about economic development, attracting companies to your state or getting to expand, they consider their taxes, not only for them but also for their employees. And so we need to be careful about where we look for revenue. Anyway, that's it for this week. Once again, next week, maybe we'll have something new to discuss. I know that we're expecting a DFAC report in next week or so. So hopefully we'll have that next week to be on the agenda. Thank you for watching.